The 2025 BMW Z4 offers dynamic performance, powerful engine options, and a well-tuned chassis that provides a sporty and enjoyable driving experience. The Z4's design is often regarded as elegant and futuristic. The retractable hardtop provides adaptability, allowing for open-top driving when preferred. Other sports cars will spike your heartbeat when a winding road approaches, but the BMW Z4 compensates for its less focused personality with a pleasant, opulent cabin and everyday utility. The inside of the Z4 is generally praised for its high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and innovative technology features. However, some reviewers mention that the internal room can be a little limited, especially in terms of storage. BMW supplies the BMW Z4 with cutting-edge technology, such as an easy-to-use infotainment system, improved safety features, and driver assistance systems. It's not as focused on backroad thrills as rivals like the Supra or Porsche 718 Boxster, but the BMW has a sumptuous cabin, a smooth ride, and a surprisingly big trunk. The Z4 is a sporty convertible that also likes daily activities. BMW's iDrive system is user-friendly and features crisp graphics in its most recent iteration. In addition, voice commands and a knob and buttons on the Z4 console provide straightforward control over the system. The 2025 S-Drive 30i is driven by the brand's superb 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which produces plenty of torque and feels stronger than its 255 horsepower. The M40i variant features a 382 horsepower turbocharged inline-six engine that is very smooth, elegant, and furious when pushed. In testing, it improved power significantly, achieving a 0 to 60 miles per hour pace of just 3.5 seconds. The EPA rates the BMW Z4 S-Drive 30i's fuel efficiency as 25 miles per gallon in city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. With its substantially higher horsepower rating, the Z4M40i's fuel economy is slightly lower, 22 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway, although the M40i model far exceeded its rating, returning an astounding 37 miles per gallon. The BMW Z4 will come with modern airbag systems, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, and a strengthened body structure for improved crash safety. Advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automated emergency braking will be standard on the 2025 BMW Z4, just like they are on the other BMW vehicles.